I'm back. Whether you're happy about that or not, I really don't care. I figured what better way to come back than to do a sneaker video. Totally off brand. Just kidding. So about a year ago, I did what's in my closet, like all my shoes, and like I basically showed you what I had. There weren't too many. Everyone was disappointed. I gave it a year and I spent a lot of money. Not to prove you wrong, but just because I was growing my collection like I said I was. Hence why I got into reselling. And here we go. I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer because I need to show you the actual problem that I have with the sneakers. It's so bad. We're gonna start with the absolute best, the ones that I wear non-stop. Probably should stop wearing them so much, but we have the off-white 4s, the beautiful sails that I actually adore. You can't really see because of my face. But look at these things. Like, you can tell I've worn them a lot. But like, oh my god, I cannot get over how comfortable these things are. Like, you have no idea. They're creased as it's okay. If anything, since I really love them, we'll budget for new ones, even though that's a really hefty price. Look how nasty. I should probably clean these. I'm definitely gonna look up cleaning videos after this, so if you have any suggestions, let me know. Okay, now there's no specific order, so don't judge. These are just what's really in front of me right now. Recently, I bought these. I actually got them off of Sneakers app. They're not my favorite. I really thought I was gonna love them more. Purple's such a hard color to style, especially because I'm just more into the classy wear now, and it's summer, so I'm not really doing a whole lot of streetwear. I feel like more in the fall and winter I'll be able to wear these more. Yeah, I really actually don't know the name of these, but they're literally just white with purple. They're just ones. I've worn them once for a photo shoot. That's about it. Next, I have these that literally came last week. Actually, no. Yes, last week. I was in Miami when I bought them. They shipped to my house, and I got them when I came back. They are the all white. They're pretty expensive. Like, not super expensive, but I know they resell. I'm still debating whether or not I want to keep these because I have not worn them yet. They're a beautiful shoe. I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of them in, like I said, the fall and winter, but I could make $150, if not more. I would love to do that. I don't know what I want to do yet, but they're a very crisp white shoe and I love them. Next, I'm gonna get into the NAF collection. There's this kid named Young NAF. I don't know his actual name, but I follow him. He's really into streetwear. He started off just posting his outfits on Instagram, don't we all? But it's so awesome. Like, he really was able to turn his entire self-brand into something that he like actually likes. So he created his shoe company, literally makes his own shoes. They look like Air Force Ones, but they're not, obviously. He puts like this flame. He changes up the design each drop, and once the drop sells out, there's literally no more made. I got these on Valentine's Day. You can see the inside of the shoe. They're really awesome. They have a little heart on them. The bottoms are really awesome. And I have the box in my closet, but the box is also customized. It's literally gorgeous. They're super comfortable too, like actually more comfortable than Air Force Ones in my opinion. And then he dropped another shoe just a few months ago, I think 2 months ago, and they weren't Air Force inspired. They were more SB Dunk inspired. These I also have not worn yet, but they look like the UNCs, tell me not. And I already have the One Lows that are this color, but these are just awesome. I'll show you those in a minute. They don't have a heart or anything, but you can't tell me like that that's like not a Nike shoe, but it is at the same time. But if not more comfortable. Like, look, it says NAF on the side. The flame is sick. In my opinion, it's better than the swoosh. And then the bottom also has the flame. It's just an overall really great design, and he outdid himself. Each month he tries to drop something. He did something for 420. It was purple and green. Recently, just like a few days ago, he dropped a black and red shoe. I could have bought them, but I don't know, like certain colorways I just don't see myself wearing a lot. He also did a pop-up shop in Miami, which is nuts. Since we're on the dunk wave, I have these black and white dunks. They came out earlier in the year. I got these on a sneakers pass and I went to the city, just picked them up, and I really contemplated selling them in the car because I could just drop them off to GOAT right then and there. I really sat to myself, I was like, listen, I don't have a black and white shoe, so these are $100 when you get them for retail, why not? So I kept them and I'm glad I did. I don't wear them often, but I feel like they are the best shoe if you want to wear sneakers but still look really clean and put together. I also just don't like how like everyone and their mother has these shoes now. Like, they are like, I feel like becoming the new TikTok shoe, and that's a whole bunch of blue and white shoes, the Obsidians. I used to want them and now I don't even want them because literally everyone and their mother has them. These go. They were a good time. I like them. These are more of the designer. These were in my last video last year. They're the Dolce & Gabbana shoes. They look like Skechers, but they're but like they're really nice and they are super comfortable. For some reason the blocks on the side make your steps so stable, like you feel really, really balanced. I really do like them. And when I was in Miami, I was standing in line for one of the clubs. Some guy had these, but like the entire Swarovski covered ones, and I was like, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I just don't have the money for that. They were fancy, and I feel like that's something my mom would go crazy over. You know, these do. I really like these too. I love how I just said that I didn't have a black and white pair of shoes, but you know, these are a little much sometimes. You want something more casual. These I actually got for $18 in a thrift store in New York. They were sitting there, and I remember I posted a picture to Twitter, and I was like, listen, like, do these go for anything? Should I clean them and flip them? A lot of you said they do actually. I could probably make 50 bucks off them. If they were brand new, obviously I would make, I think, like $300. They are the Mellows. I don't know if those prices still stand today because this was a while ago. It's not like your average color. I don't wear these often, but I don't know what they did to these Jordans, but they are so comfy. Like, I think because they were just so worn in, because they're very worn. Like, look. I didn't do that. They're in good condition, and when I do wear them, they are very, very comfortable. These are one of my favorite pair of shoes. They are my first pair of actual Yeezy sneakers. Actually, my only pair, because I have the slides, but I don't have any sneakers. So I got the Breads. Literally before I even got into sneakers, I really, really wanted these. No joke, I would go into any sneaker store, like even in the city or the mall, and I would look at them and I'm like, oh my god. And no joke, I remember the price being a whopping like $900, if not more. And I was like, that's insane. I just can never see myself spending that much on a shoe. And then I got them for retail, and I'm so excited, like so happy. Very comfortable. I made my parents shove their feet into them because I wanted them to actually experience like why the shoe has that much hype around it and why it's so comfortable. Shout out Kanye. These I haven't worn, but they are my Gucci sneakers. These are like, honestly, they're very preppy. And I'm not a very preppy person, but these do amazing when you really want to fit the look. Like if I'm going to like Short Hills Ball. If I'm just wearing like a nice dress and like I want to show these like, and I don't want to wear heels again, like I'll put these on. Or just something like, I don't know, like a meeting. Like I feel like these are great. Like no one's gonna look at you and be like, ew, she's wearing sneakers to a business meeting. They do a good job, and they're comfy too. These were my first pair of Jordan 1s. I got them on Sneakers app, but that was like my first drop that I actually cooked. Like well, compared to you guys, probably not a big cook, but I think I got about like 10 pairs and I made a lot of money and I was really excited. That really like made me just very overall convinced that I really do like reselling sneakers, or just like getting the whole experience of like copying, waking up, botting, whatever. But I still have not had a good drop since then though. So I think it was a one and done. Tell me these aren't such a great shoe. I remember I was botting in the morning, then I got up and I stood in line for a store for like 3 hours. It was freezing cold. You guys like got pictures of me online and posted them on Twitter. I was just freezing. I didn't end up getting a pair that day just because there was like 2 more people in front of me and they got the last pairs. That's always how it goes. Then they restocked that week and I got more pairs. These are great. These are like one of the ones that I always wear in the winter. Like you can catch me with those on my feet. These is what I meant. Nike's just redoing their shoe a million times, I feel. Like no joke. Like how many times can you drop the same shoe? I do love these. I don't wear them a lot just because like I don't know. When you have really bright like colors on your feet, I get like, oh my god, like it's just doing too much. So that's why right now I'm into the whole wearing boots. So I'll wear like black boots, brown boots. But don't get me wrong, I do love a good statement boot. But these are a very timeless color too, UNC colors. They're literally never gonna lose their hype. It's always a good time. Then I have these. The company sent them to me. They're from Nokwal. They are so comfortable. They're just your simple like white sneaker. Like I said, it's like walking on clouds. Their lacing's very like girly, very simple shoe, but very classy at the same time. It's like if in case you don't want to just throw on your Air Force Ones, you have like this option. I love them. These, I have to give a little shout out to PROXIES. I've been promoting them for about a year now, a year and a half-ish, and they are just so nice. They really just love everyone who works together with their company. So I got these shoes from them. I'm forever grateful. If you want PROXIES, use code Alessandra for a discount. I'll put the link below. These are the Satin Snakes. I've always wanted these when they dropped, and I got them. They're a little big just because, I don't know, these ran a little bit bigger for some reason. I do love these, and I did not have a red shoe. So this is my first colorway with red in it. And if you could see, they literally have like the snake texture on the back, on the black, even on the swoosh. Very nice shoe. I forgot I had these, but I've wanted these for a long time. Like probably 3 years. I could be exaggerating that. So don't hold me to that. The shattered backboards. Can we? Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know how I laced these. Ignore that situation. Very difficult situation. I was trying to put both laces on them for an outfit. Oh my god. This is a very hard color to really style. But once you figure it out, they complete the look. Very comfortable shoe. It just looks so different because of the crackle, the shatter. I love it. Oh my god. They're like a big like collector's piece in my opinion. And last but not least, the pair that genuinely started it all for me. The Supreme Air Force Ones. Me and this guy right here. We go way back. We've definitely experienced a lot together. I'm well aware Supreme is a dying brand. Me and Supreme haven't been getting along in a while because not much profit in there. But these did me good. We love each other. I will forever be grateful for this pair of shoes. So that's it for my shoe collection right now. I do intend to grow it more, but right now I'm obviously focused on other things. That's a lot of money in shoes, if you couldn't tell. So I'm slowing down a little bit. I only will probably get shoes like I've been doing unless they're retail. That's always what I promise myself. I won't go out and buy $500 on shoes. I can't see myself doing it. I really can't. Unless it's retail or a little bit over, then I won't purchase. So that's why my collection is really big but very slow growing, because I'm not going to just blow money when I feel like it doesn't fit. There's always going to be that new shock factor in a new shoe. So when that comes and I get that opportunity to get it at the price that I want it at, then I will get it and I'll keep it. I hope to be uploading regularly. That doesn't mean once a week because that to me just doesn't work for my schedule, but I definitely will be uploading often now, or whenever I get the chance to sit down and have a content day. There's a lot going on. I'm in my last year of college, so I'm excited. I'm excited to see what happens in the future. I'm older now, 21. Last time I uploaded, I think I was 19 still, so let's see what happens in the future, and I'm excited. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what sneakers you think I should get next, or what sneakers you have, or what videos you'd like to see, and subscribe for more videos. Alright, I'll see you guys later.